Cyberacoustics HS2000 headset. Now, I was using a microphone before. As you can see, completely unplugged. I am now using the Cyberacoustics HS2000 headset. So this is the sound that you will get from it, and you can see that if I move it a bit closer to my face, it gets a bit louder. Obviously, I rub the microphone as well and pick that up, which isn't so great, but you can hear it getting a bit louder and a bit quieter. But also, if I lift this up, it auto mutes itself. So I'm talking, and you can hear me, and I'm talking, and I'm talking. It back, you can start hearing me again when I start lowering it down. So that's the auto mute feature. So that's pretty cool. You can, if you're talking to somebody and you need to consult with a colleague, you can just flip it right up, put it back down when you're ready. So that's the Cyberacoustics HS2000 headset. Now this is a USB connected headset. There's no wireless options. It does, however, I like this, it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter in the box, so that's pretty cool. So if you have a MacBook or a Surface tablet or a Chromebook or something that takes USB-C instead of USB-A, Cyberacoustics has you covered with an adapter in the box. But I want you to be really careful when you get the box. It's in this insert here, this little tiny thing there. You've got to be really careful. The chances of you throwing this away are a bit high. So just make sure you're aware that the little USB-A to USB-C adapter is there in the box. Now this, so it's a cabled headset, there's no wireless options, but that's fine because this is designed for office use, for people working at their desks all day, every day in Microsoft Teams or Zoom or WebEx or GoToMeeting or any of these AWS Chime, Google Meet, any of these conferencing apps, or indeed people working from their home office. And so this is not designed to be a gaming headset as such. It doesn't have cups that surround your ears completely. Instead they sit on your ears, but they're very comfortable leatherette. And actually I like that more for a business headset because you want to be able to be aware of what's happening around you. The headset does dull that outside sound a bit, which is good, but certainly it also still lets you hear that nobody's going to sneak up on you like they can with your good gaming headset, with high quality advanced noise cancelling and completely surrounding your ears, and you're immersed in a game, you've got no idea what's going on. So but secondly as well, another reason why I like the resting on your ears bit is because that's a bit more comfortable. The cups that cover your ear can often get a bit sore after a while, but these don't. These are designed for all-day use. It's a very comfortable soft leatherette. The headband is a bit flexible. You can raise it up and down, and just it's got a bit of flex. So these are a business headset, and these are comparable to options from other vendors. So for example, the Jabra Evolve 240 or the Poly Blackwire 8225 or the Logitech Zone 750. These are all the equivalent sort of headsets that Cyberacoustics is targeting that level with these HS2000. However, that said, it's a significantly lower price. So these are retail for $70 US, whereas the next closest one of those competitors is the Logitech Zone 750 at US $129, all the way up to the Poly Blackwire at almost $190 US. So really, this is in that range. This is a very impressively priced set of this device. Like the others, it's designed with enhanced padding, adjustable headband for extended wear. It's got an adjustable boom mic. It does have a noise cancelling microphone to eliminate the noise as I'm speaking. It doesn't have automatic noise cancelling for what I'm hearing, but in that range, only the Poly Blackwire, the $190 US one does. The Logitech Zone 750, the Jabra Evolve 240 do not have automatic noise cancelling either. This has nice controls on the button here. If I double tap that, I can signal to the people around me that I'm busy. So red light lights up. If I double tap it again, it goes off. You can also push other little buttons here for volume up, volume down, or next track, or pick up a call, things like that. The indicator to say that you're busy is great. The number of times I've been in an office, and even though I've got my headphones on to indicate that I'm busy and I'm trying to focus, the number of people who come up to you and see you with headphones on and go, "Hey, are you in a call? Or are you busy?" is way too high. So having a red light that lights up if you double tap it, that's pretty cool and very helpful. Now this is also a very lightweight headset. It's only 167 grams, and that also compares favourably with the competition. The Jabra Evolve 2 40 comes in at 168.5 grams, so very similar, but the Blackwire 8225 from Poly is 186 grams, and the Logitech Zone 750 is 211 grams. So really, in that range of business class headphones that are not wired, with leatherette resting there, and adjustable boom mic, in that sort of range of products, this is certainly half the price of the competition, with a great range of features, good sound quality. You can hear me well. Maybe it's not broadcast quality for streaming, but it's certainly voice quality for talking and conferencing on Microsoft Teams or any of those other apps. And that's what you want. You want, in the office, you want a comfortable headset that you can easily put on, take off. You can tell it when you're busy. You want to be able to mute yourself very quickly. You just want it to be fairly invisible, and not have to worry about charging the battery, because it's simply a USB device. So that's it. That's the CyberAcoustics HS2000, a USB stereo headset that's great for calls and music. It's comparable to many other headsets in a similar range, but at literally half the price. So definitely give CyberAcoustics a try. Thank you.